Hi everyone, thought I'd make a video of some of the really interesting patterns that we've been making. This here, ironically, this is my flower cane, which did not come out like the tutorials showed. But the cool thing is I had these hoops and I turned them into earrings. So I covered them with, on the outside, everything on this section I covered with resin when I was done. These are probably my favorite because I like the teardrop effect. But these circle ones are also nice. They have like a brown mixed with a pink, which started out as a different color, but we'll go with what came out. This one came out interesting. Let me get this out into the light and show you. As you turn it, see there's stars in it and sparkles, and it just came out really interesting. This was a flower cane that came out psychedelic on me. So I made three more actually, three more flower canes, and this was the pattern of the one. And then this is the pattern of the other flower cane, which obviously came out very psychedelic as well. These are not covered in resin here. It's a set of earrings, and these we're going to make into wind chimes, I believe. It's interesting. I got to carve Kusky Creations into the back. But here's the interesting part. Okay, so we did some pure resin pieces, which are these three here, the butterfly and these two. I like this the best for positioning. I stuck a key in the mold, and then it's got sparkles, and I thought that'd be a really neat keychain. But I like that one. And then the purple butterfly here. If I can get my hand on it. It really shines with the sparkles. So I like it was pink, and then I add a little purple on top. But it came out this beautiful, vibrant purple. So I like that. And then the piece, this one, I'm going to drill a hole into the top where the peace sign is, but peace is actually embedded into the resin with some stars and sparkles again. This one here I thought was interesting because the back is the leaf section, which is not covered in resin, and the front is, and it really made it shiny. Very nice effect. These here are necklaces, and this one got a really nice, and it's very thin too, but I stuck the starfish on top after I put the resin on, and it came out very nicely. This one I did 2 starfish, and as you can see, the top, it has that hole in it, but the resin did not come off the edge. It was a fun project. It has sparkles and stars mixed into the resin. I just had so much fun doing these with the kids. And I showed you that one. This is my special one that when you turn it, isn't that beautiful? So we were having fun. It started out with making flower canes, which didn't work, and this project here was more intricate, but I like the end result. As far as the flower canes, well, I will just keep on trying. But I ended up with the most exquisite coloring. So I have to say, all in all, it wasn't a total wash. It was, an interesting set of keychains, jewelry, or whatever else we decide to use them for. But I wanted to share and say thank you to everybody for checking out our channel. The Munchkin Leprechauns and I love you all and hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday evening. We'll be back with some tutorials on how we're making things in the next few days. Until then, take care everyone, and I'll see you on the flip side.